Step 1. Apply a crack isolation membrane over the tile substrate following the membrane manufacturer's instructions. Step 2. Use a 3/16 by 1/4 inch V-notch trowel to apply a glass tile thin-set mortar and comb full notches in one direction. Step 3. Using firm, even pressure, set the tile sheets into the fresh mortar with the plastic film side out. If it is necessary to adjust an individual piece, free it from the sheet by slicing through the plastic film with a razor knife and make the adjustment. Step 4. To ensure contact with the thin-set mortar, lightly tap the sheets with a rubber grout float. Step 5. Allow the installation to cure a minimum of 24 hours. Step 6. Remove the plastic film from the face of the tile and, if necessary, remove excess thin-set mortar from the grout joints with a razor knife. Step 7. Grout application and cleaning process will vary based on the type and brand of grout. Refer to the grout manufacturer's instructions for details.